I'm
Hey,
here
Bob,
with
you want to come and take a picture?
I'm here with the man like Fat.
Yeah.
Fat. Can't
Big up.
believe it. Long time ain't seen you for how long?
Boy, gotta be
But
50, no, 80, gotta be at least in the 90s.
yeah, it's about what 10, 15 years, isn't it?
More than that.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And he looks younger than me, Dread. What's
But you know
going on?
what? He looks fitter than me. Pure love for this brother here, man.
Big up, my man.
Yeah, man.
Wicked.
Bless.
Yes, mate. As always.
Respect.
Yes.
East
yes,
London
yes.
Printers, man. It's a one. East London Printers, trust me. It's a one. I'm getting it on. Love.
Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today we are going to talk about a couple of little things that the man like Kit Killigan sent me. Thank you very much, mate. Some cool stuff from the Kings of the Jungle in America. Lovely jubbly. Sent me a cool little flyer. Nice piece of artwork here, look at that. Also got some stickers, some pencils, pencil case, Boom Boom Bros, and some cool t-shirts from Kings of the Jungle. Check that out, man. Nice merchandise. Kings of the Jungle t-shirt, sophomore class, look at that, nice soft style t-shirt, and also wicked drum and bass top there, look at that, and also most importantly a CD with the music on it. So I'm going to be checking out that, nice one. Got my little duffel bag thing here. Cheers, mate. Sick, man, little magnifying glass. Yeah, it's mad. Patches. Business card. We are shipping out the Merc, people. Non-stop Merc going out. Limited edition, going fast, peeps. Get in there now. While stock to last.